What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MVIS stock. First of all, let me give you a brief summary on this company. MicroVision engaged in the development of laser beam scanning technology. It offers its product under the PicoP brand. PicoP scanning technology has addressed the following market segments: interactive and non-interactive projected displays, 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for consumer electronics, augmented mixed reality and 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for automotive active collision avoidance. So it is a great high-tech company with the total market cap for now $1.69 billion. And they have so many branches of intellectual property, and they have a bunch of products like projection engine, this small type of projection that you can use all across your house, and interactive projection engine, 3D consumer LiDAR sensor, projection engine for head-mounted displays, and automotive 3D LiDAR sensor. So they have so many products, and all of them are so promising for the company. That's why we have huge potential for this company to invest in. And let me show you top 10 institutional investors of MicroVision Incorporated. As you can see, BlackRock, Vanguard, Creative Planning, Cube, so many companies that are buying now stocks of this company. And across the mutual funds, we have so many companies like Invesco, Fidelity, SPDR, so many companies that want to have a stake of this company. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis itself, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In this case, you won't miss next video. So here is the chart. We are on daily time frame, and as you can see here, we've spiked up more than 96%. And as you can see here, we've missed these two trades as a traders. But here was the point where I suggest you to buy this company to invest in for the long term. So it is totally okay that you missed some trades, but you can invest in certain companies, and that's why you can be consistently profitable. Let me show you more detailed information about this price movement. Here was the date where I suggested you to start to invest in this company, and basically we don't need these two long positions for now. And here is the chart. Here is another tool. It is pitchfork. As you can see, we can use it by putting the beginning of the pitchfork at the lowest point of the initial wave, then second point to the top of the wave, and the third one will be the bottom of the retracement wave. The main rule of this tool is that as long as this pivot holds, we have 80% probability to hit median line, and we've done it. We've done it to the tick, and even we poke through this line, and we have even higher return on this basically on this tool. So, and congratulations guys, you have more than 90% of profits, but it's not a trade, it is an investment. And let me show you weekly chart for this company. We don't need pitchfork for now. We have a huge bull run. We have a huge candle during the last week, and we don't have any bearish signs yet. This means we can go higher in our price movement. And let me show you this count. So we are in the fifth wave according to Elliott wave theory, and it should land somewhere higher, in my opinion, because we have strong bullish sentiment across the weekly time frame and even monthly time frame. on the monthly time frame we are on overbought region, but we don't have any curvature so far, and the MACD indicator is sticking to the upside, and each and every next bar is higher than the previous one. So in my opinion, it is a good asset to be as a stock in your portfolio, in your investment portfolio. And let me show you a higher degree of this stock. So here is our main count, and on higher degree we are still on the third wave. It started on the end of August 2020, and it might finish somewhere around maybe March. Across their estimates your earnings, I don't know for now, and it doesn't matter at this moment. And if you missed this opportunity to buy this share, it is a perfect point to invest. Let me give you the level of your entry point, of your potential entry point, and it should be green, of course. So here was your perfect entry point. We've almost catch the local dip, and next time you will have an opportunity to invest in this company at this level, retracement level of wave 4 on a higher degree. I don't think we need this one. So I will do another update, I think in several maybe weeks, and then when we will have some more additional information, I will show you the exact entry points to maybe trade, to maybe short this company. I'm not sure if you want to short it, but nevertheless, or new entry points to invest in MicroVision Incorporated. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.